Most travelers panic about data when landing in a new country. But here's the surprising truth. The right eSIM can connect you instantly without visiting a store. Today I'll share the best eSIMs for Sri Lanka based on my real testing. An eSIM is a digital SIM built into your phone. You scan a QR code, and you're online, no physical card needed. Most modern smartphones support eSIM, including iPhones XS and newer, and many Android models. Most people get this wrong, assuming all eSIMs give the same speed. Coverage depends on local networks. In Sri Lanka, top providers are Dialog, Mobile, and Hutch. The best eSIMs use these networks to ensure strong 4G coverage across cities and tourist spots. In my experience, global eSIM providers worked immediately on arrival. Activation took under 5 minutes. Internet speed in Colombo, Kandy, and Gala was excellent, enough for maps, ride apps, streaming, and social media. You won't believe what happens next. No roaming fees, no contracts, and instant connectivity perfect for tourists, business travelers, and digital nomads. For short trips, data-only eSIMs are ideal. If you need a local number for calls or SMS, some eSIMs offer bundled voice plans. Now the downsides. Some eSIMs are pricier than local SIM cards. You also rely on the provider support if activation issues occur. Battery usage may slightly increase when dual networks are active. The surprising truth about eSIMs in Sri Lanka is that convenience often beats cost. For travelers who want seamless connection from the airport, an eSIM saves time and stress. If this guide helped you stay connected abroad, subscribe for more travel tech reviews and tips to make your trips smoother.